Do you want to keep your Samsung Calendar side menu and widget clean? Let's see how to show or hide the My Phone section on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open Samsung Calendar app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left. Then tap the settings icon. Scroll down the screen. Tap Manage Calendar. Look for My Phone. And then use the switch next to My Phone to turn it on or off. For example, if you turn it off, the My Phone section will disappear from the side menu and widget, making them look less cluttered. This is useful if you don't save events directly to your phone and mostly rely on Google or Samsung account calendar. And that's it. You have learned how to show or hide the My Phone section in Samsung Calendar. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.